Congratulations, Broten Garage Door Sales, for being recognized as a recipient of the 2014 Women's Choice Award for Outstanding Customer Experience for a fourth consecutive year. The Women's Choice Award is a collective voice of female consumers, empowering each other to make smart buying choices. Broten Garage Door Sales earned the 2014 Women's Choice Award because 9 out of 10 of their female customers would highly recommend them to others. They consistently demonstrate exceptional service, and so now you too can buy with confidence when you see the Women's Choice Award seal. On behalf of women in Palm Beach and Broward counties, we applaud you, Broten Garage Door Sales.